going on YouTube? It's me again, Manny and Manny Miles Garage. I'm very happy and I'm pleased to announce that Spelab sent me another mod for my 2016 Ram 2500 Cummins. In this video, we're going to be installing the intercooler charge pipes they just sent me, guys. So they're beautifully powder coated. These things are like heavy duty, way better than the factory application. And some heavy duty boots, bellows, I guess you can call them. So I'm excited, guys. I'm about to install this stuff. I'm going to give you guys a small tutorial how it goes on. It should not take much time. Should be relatively simple. We will see. I hope that I am correct. If you guys are interested in this part, please do me a favor. Check out the description below. Click on the link, and also my discount for the site will be there as well. Oh, and please subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. It helps me a lot. Okay, so here are the charge pipes. These things are pretty freaking nice. Super happy with it. Very good construction. I think it's about 3 inches in diameter. The description will say everything. We're gonna put these bad boys on, and the clamps are the good clamps, y'all. Not the cheapo ones, the good ones. Into the T, yeah, the T banjo clamps, the big boys. And then here are all the couplers, or the boots, should say. As you can see here, this is the intercooler charge pipe. That's the whole side of the engine. Once you take out this wheel liner, it makes things 10 times easier. So you just gotta loosen that bottom bolt as good as you can, and it should be pretty easy from there on. So ABS module, there's everything here, there's a cab, and here is a nest of shit that I have to clean. Wow. There we are. Finally got it out. Itty bitty charge pipe, intercooler pipe, whatever you guys want to call it. Finally got it out. So yeah, I just mocked it up, and this is basically what replaces that. And it looks pretty cool. Way more flow, very straight design. I like it. I'm excited. Less bends, very thick tubing. I can see this being very, very responsive. Dang. Nice quality. Good variety.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
Finally. I ain't gonna lie, guys, this thing kicked my butt. The trick is, don't get mad. There are 2 elbows that look identical. They're gonna have like a little tiny 60 or 45 degree bend, just a small bend. Make sure you get the small one. Put it on the bottom. Angle it towards the sky, away from the truck, past driver's side. And then you're gonna put the tube, the long part, first. So here you go. That's the 90-degree elbow, the short version. That's the actual long part of the tube. And then go up. Take your time. Make sure that none of the clamps are hitting. I tell you guys, I'm not gonna lie, this thing was a pain in my butt, but I got it done. That means it can get done. Here's a view of the top. There's space in here. Just enough space. Like literally half an inch. You can pull down as much as you want. Just take your time. That is finally done. That side is finally done. Now I'm gonna go start the other side. I ain't gonna lie, I wanna cry. This side doesn't look too bad. That pipe is more straight. Look at the size difference. It's insane. And then they come with a factory dent. That's horrible. And mine's are pretty sludged up. We're about to slap that bad boy in there. So here, I just took my intake out, kind of loosened this right down there. disconnect it from there, get it like a flathead screwdriver, kind of break open that old seal that's around that old bellow, their boot, and then down there is where the pipe goes. Okay guys, everything's all buttoned up. Very difficult to see because it's down there, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it was a pain in the butt. This charge pipe, after you take out the intake and all that stuff, is not what you think. And what I mean by it's not what you think, the long side, the long part goes first. Make sure that the boots are somewhat snug on both sides. So I'll take the actual charge pipe and I'll put the boot on one side where you have basically just about a 1 inch over the little bevel. The clamp, tighten it up really good or decently. Don't tighten it too much. Just tighten it where it doesn't pop out or move. Do the same thing on the other side for the skinny side. And then you should be good to go. On this side over here, you have to have the Spelab logo facing downwards. I know it makes no sense, but you'll understand. Over here, you're gonna feel the actual lower radiator hose is hugging a little bit on the charge pipe. That I don't like too much, but it's doable. We can manage. But other than that, guys, everything's golden. I'm super excited. We're about to start it up in a minute and check things out. And we're gonna go from there, make sure that everything's running properly. This side, you wanna take the wheel well out. You probably wanna take the wheel well out on that side, the liner I'm talking about, the plastic liner. You might wanna take it out on that side too, so you can kind of finesse it, mess around with it. It might help you a little bit, but honestly, you can do everything from the top on the passenger side. But on the driver's side, take the liner out. You have so much space. You have so much space to mess with, but charge pipes, as long as they're super tight, make sure those clamps are super tight. Don't mess around and just snug it. No, make sure they crank them down where they basically don't want to turn anymore. You don't want those bellows blowing out and you're on full boost on the highway. Yeah, you might want to prime it. I forgot I disconnected the injector, the one injector line to put on the intake. So don't do what I just did. Prime it like 3 or 4 times. It should be fine. I don't have any boost leaks. I don't have any issues. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Do me a favor, hit up Spelab, check out the links in the description below, and use my discount code so you can save some money. For now, that's all I got. Manny Mods Garage, out.